Welcome back again. Today is actually the same day I filmed a previous video, and in that video I talked about that I was going to clean the boat, so I wanted to come on here and show you what I use. I use the 303 multi-purpose cleaner. It can be used on the outside, inside, and the best part on a black boat is it's streak-free. So unless you get your towel just completely soaked, it does not leave streaks on a black boat. We originally wanted a gray or a white boat, and I was hoping that I could get rid of some of those issues. It'll hide the dirt a little better, but unfortunately we got the black. I'm going to talk more about that in the next review video, but this is about $15 or so. I purchased it from Bass Pro. I'm sure I can buy it online, which I will, at a little bit of a cheaper price. In addition to the 303, I use microfiber towels, so here we go. So I'm going to try to show you this side that I just wiped down just real quick. The biggest problem that I have is bugs. I do not want bug crap from pulling the boat to sit, especially on the paint, or the gel coat I should say, and I don't want it to damage it. I've heard some horror stories, so I cleaned it off. I even cleaned the bottom off, which you'll see in the time lapse, but I'm going to try to show you before and after of the dirtiness and how this cleaner works. Okay, so there's a little bit of a glare on it, but this is the dirty side, and even though it looks kind of shiny, see the water line right here, and it has water spots. There's real up and close. It's got plenty of water lines and filth. Okay, here's that same exact side after I wiped it down. Once again, we have that glare, but it should be quite a bit more shiny. You can see my tree in the front yard. It's nice and pretty. Turn back around, and as it focuses, all of the water spots are gone. The water line mark is gone. This stuff is awesome. I'll show you a close-up. Best part, it's good on fabrics, and it also works on chrome. Does not hurt it, does not leave any marks. So this is one wipe. I did not wipe it a second time. There is no spots on it. I literally spray it on, wipe it off, one wipe, removes all water spots, takes care of the chrome, and no issues. This is only from the sides of the boat and the top white. Dirty, clean. See the line? That's why I clean it off every time. There you have it, 303, awesome product. We have tons of stuff coming for the boat. We have speakers, keel guards. The speakers are going to be on the wake rack, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can do it myself on an install video. See you on the next one.